going to love this. Just love it.
Guys, that was hysterical. Okay. Judges.
Yes.
Where do we even begin? Let's start with Jason.
Well, the middle girl's wearing the same outfit as Michelle. It's lovely. Yeah, no, well, look, I mean, people go, what do I like in comedy? And if it's funny, it's funny, and that was funny, so well done. You're really good. Aww. And the choreography was amazing. So, yeah, well done. That was great.
Good.
Really good.
Denise?
Do you know, I absolutely loved it. I found it so entertaining. My cheeks hurt from laughing. It was really good fun. I loved it.
Good. Michelle?
I thought you stepped your game up. It was fun. We laughed. We had a good time. But I will say, I kind of think we're at the limit. I don't know if there's much further we can go with that. Oh. Just being honest, but it was great fun.
Okay, and finally, Louis.
I didn't want it to end. I was enjoying it. I wanted more and more. And it's fun. It's really great family fun. And my favorite is Bruno Mars there. Just so brilliant.
Okay, how are we all feeling?
We had a great time. We really did. And for me, it was great working with my son and daughter.
Oh, they're like little puppet fun traps. It's very cute. Guys, well done anyway. Right? I'm not able for this. Let's hear it for the very naughty mini puppet pop stars.